every moment is a marvel of coordination, from the rhythmic beats of your heart to the intricate dance of your muscles and bones. Imagine your body as a well-choreographed performance, with each system playing its unique role. In this journey, we'll unravel the mysteries of how your heart pumps life through your veins, how your lungs orchestrate the dance of oxygen and carbon dioxide, how your muscles and bones team up for every move, how your digestive system transforms meals into energy, and how your nervous system conducts a lightning-speed communication network. Get ready to discover how your body works. It's an interesting adventure. Let's dive into the heart's role in this fascinating system. How does this muscle powerhouse orchestrate the rhythmic flow of blood, ensuring a continuous supply of oxygen-rich blood to nourish every nook and cranny in your body? The circulatory system. Picture your circulatory system as your body's delivery squad on a mission. It's like a busy network of roads and alleys, all managed by the heart, the muscle doing the heavy lifting by pumping blood. This blood, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, travels through a vast system of vessels like highways and side streets, reaching every nook and cranny in your body. It's not just about giving, it's also a cleanup operation, whisking away waste products. And get this, there are two main routes in this traffic system. One sends blood around your body, delivering the goods, and the other handles the air exchange in your lungs. Let's talk about how your heart does its job in the body's delivery service. The heart is like a powerhouse, making sure blood flows smoothly. It squeezes and pushes blood in a rhythmic dance. First, the top chambers, atria, relax to let blood in. Then the bottom chambers, ventricles, contract to push it into the arteries. This dance ensures a constant flow of oxygen-rich blood, feeding your body's tissues. Now, think of blood vessels as intricate pathways guiding this delivery. Arteries are like highways taking oxygenated blood away from the heart, branching into smaller streets that reach different tissues. Veins are the return route, bringing back deoxygenated blood to the heart for a refresh. The tiniest vessels, capillaries, play a crucial role in swapping oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and tissues. These vessels create a transportation network, ensuring everything gets where it needs to go. And let's remember why blood is so crucial. It's like your body's superhero, carrying oxygen from the lungs to power all your cells. Nutrients from the food you eat hitch a ride in the blood, nourishing your organs and tissues and keeping them in top shape. At the same time, blood takes out the trash, getting rid of carbon dioxide and other waste products. It's all about keeping a perfect balance and promoting overall health. Having discussed the grand tour of oxygen, let's delve into the exchange that occurs when busy cells produce carbon dioxide and how it finds its way back to the lungs for the grand finale of exhaling. The respiratory system. Let's talk about how we breathe. It's like an incredible adventure story happening every time. You start by inhaling air through your nose or mouth, which travels down your throat into the bronchial tubes, the city pathways for air. It's crucial to keep these airways clear for your lungs to be their best. Picture these tubes branching into smaller bronchioles inside your lungs, leading to the big finale. Tiny balloon-like sacs called alveoli, a whopping 600 million of them. This is where the magic happens. Oxygen from the inhaled air meets your blood, carried by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Now packed with oxygen, your blood takes a grand tour through your body, delivering this vital element to every cell. Meanwhile, your busy cells produce carbon dioxide, a sidekick that your blood happily brings back to the lungs. Exhaling is like the grand finale, saying goodbye to carbon dioxide and welcoming a fresh batch of oxygen for the next breathy chapter in the circle of breath life. Now, let's talk about the role of your lungs. They're like the superhero sidekicks in the breathing saga. Picture them as flexible, inflatable balloons doing a dynamic dance with the diaphragm, a big muscle right below them. When it's time to inhale, the diaphragm pulls off a cool trick, diving down like a superhero swooping in, creating a suction that pulls air into your lungs. Imagine a refreshing breeze on a hot day. And when it's time to exhale, the diaphragm takes a break, letting your lungs bounce back to their original shape, pushing the used-up air out. So, your lungs and the diaphragm work together to make sure you get the oxygen you need and kick out that carbon dioxide. They're the unsung heroes keeping your breath game strong. Now, let's talk about the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It's like your body's defense squad against not-so-friendly stuff in the air. Imagine your nose as the first line of defense, using hairs to block out big particles. Tiny hair-like cilia act like sweepers, keeping your air passages clean. But if you inhale things like cigarette smoke, these sweepers might take a break, causing issues like bronchitis. Moving down the line, your trachea and bronchial tubes have a team of cells making mucus, creating a protective layer that stops dust, bacteria, viruses, and allergy triggers from getting cozy in your lungs. This slimy superhero either makes you cough up or swallow anything that manages to sneak in, ensuring your lung party stays safe. So, while you're casually breathing in and out, your respiratory system is the silent guardian, keeping the air highway clean and your lungs in top-notch shape. Moving from the concept of muscles as pulling ropes on bones, let's discuss the role of bones as the sturdy framework supporting your body's every move. The musculoskeletal system. Let's take a look at how muscles and bones work together, which is a fantastic partnership in our body's unique friend system. Imagine muscles as the action heroes who are always ready to do something, and bones as the loyal sidekicks who are always there to help. To move, your brain sends a superhero signal to your muscles, saying, "Let's do this." You can think of these muscles as pulling ropes on your bones. They make easy things like lifting your arm into coordinated feats, like a crane with solid beams. This is the best kind of teamwork. Picture lifting something. Your muscles tighten, pulling on the bones, and then your arm lifts that box without any trouble. Interestingly, your bones don't just sit there and watch. They shape your body and give your muscles the support they need. As the framework, your skeleton keeps the structure of your whole body together. And it's not just about moving. Your bones are like hidden heroes because they protect your organs. Picture your ribs as a strong wall that protects your heart and lungs. When you take a casual step, bust a move on the dance floor, or carry your groceries with ease, let's give a big cheer to our muscles and bones. They work together to make sure you move with grace and stand tall in life's big adventure. Ready to discover the teamwork-packed operation that ensures your body absorbs the goodness from your meals? Let's dive into the fascinating world of the digestive system and its key players. The digestive system. Let's take a look at the digestive system, which is often compared to your body's busy kitchen and efficient trash cleanup crew. Imagine a group of well-coordinated organs working together to turn the food you enjoy into nutrients your body can use. The GI tract, a twisting tube that goes from your mouth to your anus and houses essential organs like the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus, is the star of the show. But that's not all. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder are also essential team members. The three separate parts of the small intestine, the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum, allow the body to absorb nutrients. The large intestine, which comprises the appendix, cecum, colon, and rectum, is responsible for getting rid of waste. If you think of the process as a culinary adventure, it all starts in the mouth, where the food is chewed thoroughly and saliva starts breaking it down. After going through the esophagus, the food slides down quickly to the stomach, where stomach juices turn into a gooey mess. The nutrients then take center stage in the small intestine, which is like the kitchen of a master cook. To help the breakdown process along, the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder release enzymes and juices. As the trip comes to a close, the leftovers make their way to the large intestine. This is where water absorption happens, and waste turns into poop, which we all know. This very cooperative system doesn't work by itself. The nervous system, hormones, and the necessary gut bacteria all work together. Every delicious bite you take is like a note in this musical composition for food, ensuring that your body gets the most out of the delicious foods you eat daily. From the first bite to the complicated dance of nutrient absorption, your digestive system works like a great kitchen crew, turning food into fuel that keeps your body running smoothly during life's big feast. Your nervous system is like a symphony conductor, ensuring harmony and coordination in every bodily function. Let's explore the intricate workings of this vital system. The nervous system. Our nervous system is like the master control center of our bodies. It makes sure that everything works together and talks to each other. You can think of it as the power that makes you think, learn, and remember. The stress response system is in charge of keeping the body stable and in balance, homeostasis. It works with the hormonal system. The nervous system keeps us linked to both our inside and outside worlds through a network of receptors. This helps us understand and interact with the world around us. The brain, spinal cord, nerves, and ganglia are the main parts of this network. They are all composed of different tissues, such as nerves, blood, and connective tissue. These parts work together to do all the complicated things that keep our bodies and minds healthy and busy. When your brain decides to do something, like move your hand or feel something touch it, it tells nerves about it. Like the fastest texts, these messages tell different parts of your body what to do very quickly. This incredible teamwork between your brain and nerves makes sure everything works perfectly when you dance or even blink. The nerves are like the intelligent planners in your body, and the brain is like the quick messengers who keep everything in sync. Overall, which system or process stood out to you the most, and how has this newfound knowledge shaped your perception of your body's capabilities? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.